Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at an gold silver metallic 2011 Ford F-150 4x4 Super Crew XLT, stock number A7123. You have heavy-duty tow hooks and a beautiful chrome grille up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in a Goodyear Wrangler tire. Inside you have a gray cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 3 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 6-passenger F-150. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You've got this great 4x4 bedside decal here. And then to the rear, there is a trailer hitch inside of the truck bed. As you can see, it's nice and clean. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. On the left side of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you can see your transmission shift back here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 5-liter V8 engine. You do have a 4x4 turn dial control. And coming over to the center, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You've got capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls, and there is an auxiliary port here. If you'd like to get more information on this F-150 or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.